Every year, hundreds of infants and small children suffer from cold and cough, mainly due to their weak immune system. In fact, within the first year of their life, most of the babies will have to 7 colds. Childs pick up the waste infection causing viruses through the contact with infected person or contaminated air or surfaces. Some symptoms of the cold and cough in the babies are congested or runny nose, low-grade fever, 1004 degrees Fahrenheit, sneezing, coughing, loss of appetite, irritability, and difficult sleeping. Dealing with a sick child can be really difficult for parents as well as caretakers. Number 1 is sponge bath. To reduce a fever in small babies, give them a cool water bath or sponge bath to regulate the body temperature. A bath has the added benefit of relaxing your child and will help to sleep better, which is essential for the faster recovery. For small babies, give a sponge when a sponge bath 2 to 3 times a day. Soak a washcloth in the room temperature tap water, wring out the excess water and then sponge the armpits, feet, hands and groin to reduce the temperature. Number 2 is lemon. Lemon is another good home remedy. Being rich in vitamin C, lemon helps to boost the immune system and assist the body in fighting cold and flu. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties also help to reduce the symptoms such as sore throat, runny nose, and coughing. Put the juice and peels from the 4 lemon and 1 tablespoon of the ginger slices in a pan. Add boiling water to cover the ingredients. Cover and let it steep for the 10 minutes. Strain the liquid, dilute the liquid with an equal amount of warm water and add dry honey to the taste. Give your child the lemonade to drink a few times a day. Number 3 is honey. Honey is a safe remedy for the children aged 1 year and older than suffering from the common cold or cough. It has a high antibacterial, antioxidant and immune boosting properties that help to ease the coughing, soothe a sore throat and kill the bacteria causing the infection. Mix 2 teaspoons of the raw honey and 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice. Give it to your children every hour for the symptom relief. You can also have your children swallow a spoonful of the buckwheat honey several times a day. A glass of the warm milk with the honey can relieve a dry cough and reduce the chest pain. Number 4 is warm chicken soup. For chicken older than 1 year age, the chicken soup is the greatest option when suffering from the cold or cough. It is light and nutritious and can help to relieve the congestion. The antioxidants in it speed up the healing process. In addition, chicken soup improves the function of the protective cilia in the nasal cavity that prevents the congestion from entering the body. A 2000 study published in the Chest Journal suggests that the chicken soup contains a number of substances which beneficial medicinal activities of the upper respiratory tract. Serve your children homemade chicken soup using organic chicken and vegetables such as carrot, beets, root, spinach. You can feed babies chicken soup 2 to 3 times a day. Number 5 is oranges. The vitamin C in oranges help to increase the production of white blood cells and fight off the cold-causing germs. It also boosts the immune system to alleviate the symptoms such as coughing, sore throat, and runny nose. For children aged 2 years or older, give them 1 to 2 glasses of orange juice daily. For younger babies, dilute the orange juice with equal amount of the warm water and give them to the drink at regular intervals. Older children can be given oranges to eat to increase the vitamin C intake.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.